Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of this module. In this tutorial, we will talk about what is personally identifiable information leakage, which is also known as PII. Many websites show information of users like their full names, email, PAN card details. Such information is called personally identifiable information or PII. It is the information that can be used to identify a person. While information like full names may not be used to point out one person specifically, but information such as Aadhaar card or PAN card can be used to exactly point out the person, and such information is considered highly critical. Such information shouldn't be available for others to see, since people may track you down using it and then can socially hack you. So whenever a website fails to protect PII, it is called PII leakage. There are two reasons for PII. First, the application has vulnerability like IDOR, which we have discussed earlier, that was insecure direct object reference or SQL injection, directory listing, etc. The application doesn't realize that it is storing PII properly and leakage PII as a feature of some sort. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.